Hello there, and today I'm going to share my special software with you guys that I made myself. And I'm going to explain its features step by step in this video. So, this is the tool that every gamer should have, and here is why. First, open this app and click on subscribe, because why not? You're using my free software, at least I deserve that. No? If you don't think so, then don't blame me if you hear something at your house at 3 a.m. Anyways, let's move on. Here we have two sections, cleaner and booster. In cleaner section we have temp clean, which will clean your temporary files, and trust me, it's 100% safe, just trust me. And next we have show DNS, which will show your DNS, duh. And then if you want to flush it out, you can click on that flush button. Next we have RAM cleaner, which further has two options, as clean memory and remove cache. Basically they do the same job. Now onto the booster. First we have power preset, which will have two further options like high performance and power save. If you want to download something overnight, just click on 2, enter, and you have power save mode. And if you want a game and you want performance, click 1 and high performance. There you go. Now onto the very important part. Fix stuttering. First thing you have to know, it's not gonna fix your bottleneck. Instead, while gaming, it's gonna disable some services which eats your RAM and CPU. So if you click on that, you have further two main options, safe mode and aggressive. In safe mode, it's only gonna disable the services which are very safe to disable. In aggressive, it will disable some Windows services, which might cause some problem for some people. If it doesn't, good for you. After choosing any options, you will have this menu which will ask you to auto detect, which will auto detect games, which is not very recommended. Just click on menu select, and here you will see your game running in the background. Just click on that and click on boost. It will boost your game. And once you finish gaming, click on fix stuttering button again, and it will restore all the disabled services. Next, we have gaming mode, which will delete blot apps comes with the window. And trust me, you have never ever seen nor used those apps in your entire life. And these apps always runs in the background and never shows up in the task menu. Now, this is the most VIP option in this tool, Windows Optimizer. What it does, it compresses the binaries of Windows and give you a lot of space. Not only that, this will boost the performance of your Windows and makes it very smooth.